Remove seaweed from package. Add some water to make it wet. Grate carrots. Grate radish. Prepare butter cord for grating. Grate butter cord. Main ingredients: seaweed, grated carrots, grated butter cord. Squeeze water out of grated vegetables. Add 2 eggs. Mix. Break apart seaweed and add. Mix properly. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper powder. Mix. Add flour number 2. Mix properly. Apply cooking oil on the hot plate. Spread the mixture in desired size. Small flame and cover. Spread cooking oil lightly on top. Turn upside down when bottom side is turned brown. Breakfast is ready for 2 persons. This dish is called 紫菜鸡蛋饼。紫菜鸡蛋饼。
When buying sharpening stones, buy one with the size of 2.5-inch wide, 8-inch long and 1-inch thick preferably. They come up with different grit sizes. Grit means sharpening edges. Grits range from around 100 even up to 10,000. The lower the number, the coarser the grit. That means when the grit is coarser, more metal is lost and sharpening is rougher. The higher the grit, sharpening finer. Keep 2 stones with a medium grit around 800 for rough sharpening and one with a fine grit around 2000 for smooth sharpening.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.